Hey everyone, today I'm gonna introduce you Paper Highlighter. This Paper Highlighter Chrome extension is developed by us. That means it is developed by KGP Talkie. Now how it is gonna help you? Let's say you have a technical research paper and you want to read that, you want to highlight important points in that particular research paper, then you can use this particular Chrome extension. Generally, people take couple of hours or sometimes people take many days to complete a research paper. By using paper highlighter, you can just simply read it in a matter of minute. How it is gonna work? It is going to analyze whole research paper in one go. Thereafter, it is going to find out all important findings in the research paper and all limitations of the research paper and all the facts supported in the research paper as you see here. In fact, I'm gonna show you here live how you can get started with the paper highlighter and then how you can finish your research paper reading in no time. Let's go ahead and get started with this. You can just simply install it. Link for installation is already given in the video description. You can just simply get it from there. Once you install this paper highlighter, you are gonna get an option something like this. So this is like just a welcome note which tells you how this paper highlighter works. One thing you will notice here, after installing the paper highlighter, it is going to open all PDF file in your browser by default with the paper highlighter, but you can change using the setting as well. Apart from that, one more thing you will notice here, you also need to provide here your AI model so that it can do all the analysis. If you don't have any AI model, don't worry about that. Once you come back here, from here you can select how you want to open your PDF. Currently we are going to open our PDF with the paper highlighter, and then we come here in the model section. There I'm going to select my local Ollama. With this I'm going to first refresh so that I can find out all available model in my computer. Thereafter I'm just going to test the connection. It says that it is connected with the local Ollama. That's all you have to do. Thereafter you can just simply come here and then you can just simply search here research paper which you want to understand. Let's say I want to understand attention is all you need PDF. Thereafter it is gonna open this attention is all you need. You can open from any of these links, whatever you like. Let's go ahead and open it from the arXiv, and here it is. Now I have got this PDF, and as explained you earlier, you can see this PDF is opening under the paper highlighter. You can also bring your paper highlighter here at the tab. So let's go ahead and click on here so that you can pin it here at the extension bar. Alright, now let me just explain you how you can work with this. As soon as you click on analyze, it is going to analyze this whole research paper. It will take a little bit time because there are total 15 pages here to analyze this research paper. Alright, now as you see here, analysis is done and we are having here overview. In overview, author introduces here transformer, a new neural network design that uses attention to connect input and output instead of traditional recurrent or convolutional layer. As I had told you earlier, this paper highlighter is going to give you the central idea of this research paper. Apart from that, you can also see all the highlights in this particular research paper. For example, you are gonna see here this important point. That means you don't need to read all these 15 pages in one go. What you can do, you can just read these highlighted sentences so that you can get the overall idea about the research paper. For example, this attention all you need achieves 28.4 blue on WMT 2014 English to German translation task, and there are so many other the other figures here which is really important. Apart from that, as you scroll it down, then here it says, in this work, we propose the transformer, and then the transformer allows for significantly more parallelization and can reach a new state of art in transforming, in translation quality and so on. Basically, all important points are getting highlighted. Apart from that, if you feel here, if you want to analyze, if you want to highlight a particular part which is not highlighted by this paper analyzer, you can just simply select that, and thereafter you can select here the color in which you want to highlight, and then you can just simply highlight this. Apart from that, as you scroll it down, you can see here all the details here. As you keep scrolling, you can see all highlighted points. Those highlighted points are really important. Apart from that, if you feel that, okay, this is also important paragraph here, what you see here, so you can also use that highlighter to highlight these part as well. All right, apart from that, as you keep scrolling here, then you are going to get here a lot of, the results here as well, which is also highlighted here. And one more thing I wanted to tell you here, if you are not satisfied with the result in one go, then what you can do, you can just simply click on reanalyze once again. Then it is going to reanalyze whole research paper once again. Apart from that, one more thing you will notice here, overall this research paper highlight is quite sparse currently. But if you want here a very dense highlighting process, then you can just simply come back here. And thereafter you can just go ahead, from here you will go in the setting actually. So go inside the setting, then click on the highlighting, thereafter click on every sentence here. Currently it is set as a quickly. Otherwise, if you want a very detailed highlighting, then you can just simply select every sentence. Thereafter it will automatically saved here. It will automatically get saved. You can also change this as well. So currently it is just limited to the 4. But if you want to highlight more, let's say you want to highlight 6 or probably 8, then you can select 8. Thereafter, you can again come back to your research paper, and thereafter you need to just reanalyze. All right, so this time it is going to reanalyze, and then you will be having here more number of highlighted lines as compared to the previously. Seems like we need to just reload it, and thereafter we need to reanalyze so that it can, all the settings which we did previously, that can take the effect. Although if you don't use any AI ML, it will have here a heuristic way to highlight the important sentences and the paragraph. But I would prefer generally using the AI over the non-AI model. All right. Now you can see here, there are total 28 points. This time it is highlighted. So you have this one, this one, this one, and there are so many actually. As you scroll it down, you can see all these. Previously, these were not highlighted, but this time you are seeing all these are highlighted. Why? Because we had changed the setting, and this time we are getting a lot of more highlighted stuff as compared to the previous setting. So this is how you can get started with the paper highlighter. The link for this paper highlighter is already given in the video description. And also I want to understand from your point of view, what other kind of feature you want with this particular Chrome extension, so that I can update this Chrome extension and it can fit into your requirement. All right, everyone. Bye-bye. Take care.